Hi friends, today we are going to solve fair array problem. You will given an array, given a list of integer which is named as array ARR and a single integer k. You must create a new array of length k from elements of the array such that the unfairness is minimized. Unfairness of the subarray is calculated as maximum value in that subarray and the minimum value in that subarray. So here to get this you will have to use a greedy technique, or I would say first sort the array. In that case all the elements would be close to each other and the minimum, then difference between max and minimum value would be least if the array is in a sorted order. So we could write lst equal to sorted lst min x equal to is math present. We will import math function. Uh, I hope it works. I don't know it would work or not. Let's check. So for I in range of 0 to length of lst minus k plus 1 and our sub value would be starting from I to I plus k. Because we are creating a sub array. So I hope it's correct. Let's run the code. For smaller values I'm pretty sure it would give correct answer, but I'm not sure the time complexity of it. Okay, so here basically math.infinity is not working in this ID. So let's write some big values. Not able to use import functions. So basically the basic idea would be should be using math.infinity. In most cases it would work, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, so this is the basic way of solving this problem. This is a pretty very easy kind of problem. So as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned, and there will be more videos which is going to be coming, more complicated problem with much more detailed explanation. I have seen many people commenting that the explanation is not appropriate, so I'm trying to do a lot more. So maybe in the next upcoming videos I would be explaining those in much more details. So that's all guys, and thanks for watching and stay tuned.